Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your Reado application. If you want to access your favorite books on the Reado app, then you'll need to log into the account. So here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Reado app on your mobile device. Once you end up in this page, tap on the login button or the sign in button at the bottom. Now, in the sign in area, you'll need to choose one of the options available. You can use Google, Facebook, or Apple login, or you may also continue logging in with email. Make sure to choose the same option that you used while signing up for Reado. Since I signed up using email, let me tap on continue with email. Now, on the next page, enter your email address associated with your Reado account and tap on continue. You'll then need to go ahead and open up your email inbox. And once you open it up, you'll receive an email from Reado. Simply open it up and then click on this little black button, which probably says sign in or login. Right after you do that, you will be signed into your Reado account. Once you're in, you can explore your library, continue where you left off, and enjoy unlimited reading with Reado. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides. I'll be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.